Welcome to Trading Bots. No, it's not a new TV series. It's our next chapter, AI and finance. So here we go. Are you ready? What is a trading bot anyway? A trading bot is software that automatically carries out purchases and sales of financial instruments based on predefined rules. Imagine having an assistant who never sleeps and is constantly looking for the best deals on the stock market. Many beginners think of a trading bot as a little robot that makes you rich at the push of a button. That's funny, but not entirely reality. And how does a trading bot work? Trading bots work with algorithms. What are algorithms? Algorithms analyze historical and current market data and execute trades when certain conditions are met. Imagine the trading bot as a chef. He has one recipe book, the algorithms, and only searches for the best ingredients, market data, to make the best food, to create perfect trades. But don't worry, he doesn't burn trades like we sometimes grill sausages. Let's look at the different types of trading bots. Arbitrage bots exploit price differences in different markets. It's similar to being at a bazaar. Many goods are offered, perhaps even the same goods you look for the cheapest price, and later sell something more expensive of eBay. Market-making bots continually create buy and sell bids. He's the type who's constantly putting out offers, always in business. Trend-following bots analyze and follow market trends. Like a surfer, riding the perfect wave. So what are interesting trading bots? Let's take a look at which external trading bot is currently in the running. CryptoHopper offers many interfaces to well-known platforms as Binance, Coinbase, Poloniex, Kraken, and many others. This platform is simple, but extremely effective. You could say like a Swiss pocket knife, suitable for almost everything. Various offers, demo account, and a separate academy for everyone want to know more. The variety of supported platforms gives you the freedom for your trading projects. And the two founders has been on the market for a long time. One might think they know what they are doing. It's best to take a look at CryptoHopper for yourself. You can find the link in the video description. Some of you now think you can just buy a bot and then retire. But it doesn't work that easily. Find out about the many offers and decide for yourself what suits you and your trading strategy best. And takes advantage of the numerous possibilities continuing education. Who wants to retire? Trading bots can simplify trading on the markets, whether crypto, forex, commodities, ETFs, or stocks. But don't panic. Everything can be learned. And you certainly don't want to get rich quick become, but constantly learn. And this also understand the fascinating possibilities. Correct? Then I have a link for you, the possibilities of the platform in all, to be able to test calmness. Get this knowledge and stick with it, and always think about it. You can never have enough information to want to understand something. Okay, that was a lot of input. But it's better to save your documents. It helps you to customize your trading bot optimally for you. And without the right information and settings, nothing works. And the better they are, the more accurately these bots work. Trading bots are like your silent one business partner. They do the hard work while you enjoy your coffee. But as with anything, embrace it. Make sure you keep an eye on it to have to throw on it. In the next video, we'll look at how automated platforms could manage your portfolio without you breaking a sweat. Are you joining us again?